got a pass it around. Tell me, do you wanna cross that bridge, saying it's about time? All in love, lost in the storm. Jump right into the bullet.
Guys, we're on the way na to Boracay. And we went back because my nanay forgot our passports.
IDs, not passport.
I mean, IDs.
Huwag mong galawin yan.
So, we came back. So, here we go.
We're going back to airport.
We're going back to airport because my nanay is so clumsy.
And thank you din kay Kuya. Kuya, lingon ka ako konti.
Uy, nagda-drive yun.
Galit na galit.
Sandali, galit.
Gusto mo laki?
Dahil from bahay to airport, airport to bahay, at bahay to airport, siya na yung naging driver namin. Thank you, Kuya.
Kau kasi eh.
Happy
Bakit birthday? Bakit birthday? Di ba happy, happy, happy? Take your reward.
Huli mo. Sabi, hi, we're at the airport.
Hi guys, we're at the airport.
Finally.
Finally.
Oh, so after all the hustles and bustles, we're finally here. Buti na lang talaga. Maaga kami umalis kanina, kaya medyo naka-cope up kami. Ngayon medyo hindi pa rin kami magmamadali kasi maaga pa rin. It's, anong oras na ba? It's 7:38 and 9:40 pa yung flight namin. So, tama pa lang din naman yung ano namin. Then, pipila na kami for the check-in. Okay na yan.
Hey guys, we're at the airport. We are at Air Asia. See you at the plane. Goodbye.
Hi guys, nandito na kami. Napaka ano lang. Sobrang bilis lang ng check-in namin kasi nga wala kami i-check-in baggage. So, ang gagawin namin, kakain lang kami.
Kakain lang muna kami kasi maaga pa. So, let's
So, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Choice ni Colette is Kenny Rogers. So, Kenny Rogers it is. Guys. Hi guys, we are about to eat our breakfast dahil 8 pa lang naman. Kain kami dito for 1 hour and pasyal-pasyal. And then, mga 9, papasok na kami. Anong food mo?
Barbecue rib flakes. Ayos tayo.
Sarap. Ito ni husband, barbecue rib flakes, garlic rice, sunny side up eggs, and coffee. How about you, anak? What is your food kay Andres? Yung food mo?
Mac and cheese.
What?
Mac and cheese.
Yung favorite niya, his favorite forever, mac and cheese ng Kenny Rogers. Ako, wala pa yung food ko. Sila muna. So, eto na yung food. Dumating na siya finally. So, mushroom and spinach omelette with bread and fruit salad. Fresh fruit salad on the side, plus apple juice. Boarding! Na board na. Nandito pa lang yung x-ray machine. So before, meron siya sa harap, di ba? Upon entering the airport, meron siyang x-ray machine. Pero ngayon, nandito na lang sa mga boarding gates yung x-ray machines. So eto na. Habang si Andres, hirap na hirap. Punta na kami sa gate 116 dahil yung bata dito
We're going on a trip on my favorite airplane.
masyadong excited. What? Baka daw mamiss niya yung airplane ride niya. which is very unlikely kasi napakaaga pa. Excited lang siya talaga makasakay na airplane for a long time. Super tagal na namin nung last na nag-travel. And this is our first time in a long time to ride an airplane again.
This is my first time at the airport. I mean, not my first time, but
What?
my time that I can see, because every time my mom goes to, we go places, I feel like I feel left out because I don't even see I don't even see the rock. I'm so excited!
Careful!
Hi guys, we're at the airplane now.
连星期烟已使用任何。
Hi
Hi, homies! Room tour tayo dito sa Red Coconut. So, upon entering the room, ito yung pinto. Ito yung pinto niya at the back. Upon entering, shook. Ito, restroom na kagad to. So, maliit lang siya. Simple lang siya. Pagpasok mo, yung lababo, yung toilet bowl, and then yung shower area. In fairness, marami silang patuwalya dito. Then, tissue na extra, then tissue again. Tapos dental kit. Meron. Dito naman sa shower area. Meron din silang sabon dito. And then, eto yung kanilang shampoo and conditioner. Yan. Ay, meron din pala silang pa-blower dito. Ano naman sa right side niya, nandito yung closet. Ito, nakalagay na yung mga gamit namin dito. Yan, inayos ko na yung mga gamit namin. Andyan na siya. Meron silang pa-bathrobe. Dito. And then may extra pillows there. Then, eto, may hamper sila dyan. And then, sa tabi naman niya, nandito ang kanilang mini ref. Then, sa ilalim naman, ginawa namin lalagyan ng shoes. Tapos, ito yung kanilang coffee and tea making facility. Choke. Yan. Yung mga free coffee nila, tea. I don't know kung free ang Piatos and Nova na yan. Pero I doubt kung free yan. Sa ref naman, tignan natin kung may laman. So, may laman siya. I'm sure hindi free yung Piatos and Nova na nandoon. Then, eto naman yung kanilang king bed. Sa gilid ng king bed, merong side table. At saka meron silang pahiram na bayong. Ayan. Pahiram lang yan. Ayan, sabi dito, this beautiful handcrafted bayong is provided for you to use during your stay. It is also available for purchase at Red Coconut Front Desk should you wish to bring one home. Siyempre, hindi ako bibili. Dito naman kanilang sitting area. Ayan. Meron po ditong dalawang mag-ama. Say hi. Hi. Ay, bakit? Bakit ang lata mo? Hi, anak. Shh. Ay, busy siya mag-cellphone. Pinagbibigyan ko kasi bakasyon. Tapos, yan yung sitting area nila with aircon. Ito naman yung kanilang vanity mirror at saka vanity table. Tapos, TV. So, ayun lang. Ganyan lang siya kasimple. Pero homey naman siya.
Nandito kami sa Boracay ngayon. This is our first day together with Andres and at moment Anami. Yan. Medyo By the way, we're staying at Red Coconut. Yan. This is the second time that we've been here sa Red Coconut. And actually, the first time that we went here together with Andres, dito rin kami nag-stay. That was 2016.
Tatay, what ko muna yung paa ko?
And Andres, what did you say?
Tatay, basta
Mamaya, what will you say?
paa.
Andres! What can you say? Parkour ka lang? Sige nga, the flash. What can you say about Boracay?
Follow me!
What will you say to your subscribers?
Mag-video naman ako sa future, so follow me because I'm gonna run there. Follow me. Sabi na kayo, para makikita nila nung ginagawa ko.
Ay, wag, hindi pwede.
Ay ko nga.
Sige,
Tanda ba saan pumunta pa ako?
wag, mamaya na.
Okay.
Hmm.
Can I play at the beach mamaya?
Sa?
Beach mamaya.
Mamaya? Ay, ganang gabi na eh. Bukas na yun.
Kasi naman tatay eh.
Bukas na tayo mag-picnic sa beach.
Kasi anong oras?
Morning! After breakfast.
No, alam ko.
What?
Diba, is it 4?
4.
Is it 4 o'clock na yun?
It's almost 6.
Can we do that? Can I go swimming at 7?
It's gabi na yun. It's night na. Let's enjoy the view muna. Sige na, deeper ano na. Look at how fine the ano. Look at how fine the sun. It's like coffee mate. Oh. Look how fine. Oh. It's like powder. It's like powder, anak. Oh, ganyan lang, ganyan lang. Nak, halika, dali. Sabihin natin kay nanay. Halika, dali, nak. Sabihin natin kay nanay if you can swim. Halika na. Halika na. Para we can swim.
Hindi tayo papayagan ni nanay. Hindi ako papayagan ni nanay.
Halika.
Anong sinabi mo?
Halika, let's try lang. Kasi there's a lot of kids pa rin. Halika na. How does it feel? The sun.
Dati yung sun, para lang, pag pumunta ka Marcon, magiging ngayon sun, at pag hindi mo magkasan, magiging sun.
Let's go.
Pipilit!
Ha? Halika, let's ano muna.
Nakapitan na. No! Sasabihin ni nanay mo pag... Sabihin ni nanay. Sasabihin ni nanay, hindi. Parang nalang ko. Nanay.
Ayan na. Halika rito. Ito ka na ng sinelas. Halika dito. Where is slippers na?
Mamaya na.
siya ngayon kasi kanina umuulan. Dahil sobrang fine daw na sobrang fine ng sand.